Hey there, this is Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with and beginner tutor about how to draw a rainbow. Drawing a rainbow is a fun and colorful project. Here's step-by-step guide on how to draw a simple rainbow. Let's start. For drawing, I need paper, pencil, marker, color pencil, and eraser, and also I need one protector, that is curved scale. Start by drawing a curved line on paper. This curve will serve as a middle edge of the rainbow. You can use a pencil lightly draw the curve, which will make it easier to erase later. Now here I try to draw two clouds in the sides of the rainbow. Make sure that clouds will be the same sizes. Now it's time to draw a rainbow line. Here I will start with the bottom of the first line and I will draw here 5 lines, and remaining 2 lines will be draw top of the first curved line. Before start coloring, we have to erase the all unnecessary outlines. Now is the time for coloring. Here I must start with the indigo. Continue drawing the semicircle for the remaining rainbow colors: purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Each semicircle should overlap slightly with the one before it, creating a classical rainbow shapes. outlining of cloud, here I am using blue color, and inside I will use the gray. For outlining of rainbow, here I am using marker. You can use any kind of black sign pen for that. For final touches, go over your drawing. Make sure all the lines are clean and the colors are vibrant. If necessary, use your eraser to remove any stray pencil marks. That's it. You have drawn a colorful rainbow. This is a great drawing project for beginners and can be a wonderful way to practice blending and shading with different colors. Have fun and get creative with your rainbow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.